Good morning to everyone. Hello guys. Morning to those who have morning. Evening to those who are evening. We are running at British summertime. So good morning to all of you. ATUM has been released last night with all the premium add-ons as well. We have released the ATUM Export PRO 1.0 2. So this video is about ATUM Export, but I will introduce you to a brand new feature to the free ATUM as well. We have actually listened to you. We've been trying to make ATUM accessible to all users. There's been a lot of requests telling us, guys, your colors are bad. So why would they? It's brand colors, we love them and everything else, but we understand some people may have issues seeing things. People have different monitors, people have different environments. So we've been working hard to help you all. And what I'm going to introduce you now is the ATUM 1.6, where you go to settings. And in settings, we have added another tab called visual settings. Over here, when you click visual settings, you will find the color modes. You can choose the default branded mode, you can choose the dark mode, and you can choose the high contrast mode. Basically, whatever your eyes desire, whatever pleases you the most, you can now choose whatever mode you want. After you do the mode change, you can play with the individual colors. Okay, you click, you change, you do whatever you need with anything, pretty much anything. Be careful, a lot of you may change this page, but it will affect the one after that. So guys, play with it. If you want, you can now do whatever your eyes need, just so your workflow is as easy as it gets. So you, as we know, you are working with your site and ATUM on daily basis. And if the branded colors are not something you like or whatnot, you guys use another mode. Now it's all here for you. Thank you very much to my developers to get this done and released, and as well as many other features in ATUM 1.6. I hope you love it. Okay. Let's go to the ATUM export that been waiting to be released for over 4 months now. So I apologize to everyone affected. Whoever's been waiting for export, it's here, finally here. It takes us more time than we would like, but as I said, we do. For the most important for us is your support. So we do customer support as number one. So that any bugs, any modifications, any help needed, guys, we do that first. Then we build new features. We as we have more users, it is becoming really difficult. So we have taken on another phase, another developer, absolutely fantastic guy, very experienced. I hope everything goes well, and we'll bring new features up and running quicker than anything else. We are building an auto test system that will actually retest all the ATUM features on its own. So further we go, less bugs we experience. Bugs will always be there because there is, guys, understand, there is about, well, there's thousands, hundreds of plugins you can use, and we can't know all of them. We don't know what they do. They may break our functions. They may just amend WooCommerce the way that some ATUM features will just not stop working. So if we find there is a third-party issue, obviously we will not fix it, as we just can't keep fixing all of it. We would never stop. We will just be fixing everything. What we need to concentrate on, that ATUM works with WooCommerce. We do support some WooCommerce extensions. We do support some third-party additions, but all third-party plugins, but all these are plugins that being used by hundreds of thousands of users. We will not support plugins that have several hundred users. I'm sorry, this is just not possible. For those plugins, I believe they will build support for ATUM as the time comes. As thank you to all of you. ATUM user base is growing very fast, and I hope it's because we do things right, and I hope you guys will love things that will bring within the next 10-15 years, because that's the amount of years I have ready for and planned on my table. So hopefully ATUM is successful and we'll finally get some things done quicker. But as I said, better it takes longer, and it's good, as we release it every other month, and then have the experience is not worth it. So guys, enough of my small pep talk. Let's do the export introduction. So as you can see here, this is the welcome screen. You have some default templates. The screen may be different in your computers. As default templates are there, you have some custom templates, and you have the Let's Build from Scratch little section here where you hit the Build Export button, you get straight to the Export Center. Then you have obviously the Export Center when everything is done. You have the Template Center, and you have the Import Center. Import Center has not been added to the launch version, as we have to do a couple of things. We have to polish a little things before we release it in the Export Pro. Why? Import is very important to do correct, as we do not want to break any files. So basically, import is all done. As you can see here, everything visualized or visually, all the design, everything is done 100%. All the functionalities has been done 100%. What we just need to do, we just need to polish and retest a couple of things just to make sure everything was absolutely bugless. We need maybe another week or so, and everything will be up mid-August if all the tests go right, but August definitely. Here, let's go back to the Export Center, because that is why that's what we want to talk about. In here, you have select the export. You have three sections. First, what you want to do, what you want to export, what format, and what you want to export. Okay, products, and then you have it will load, because it's a lot. We've added absolutely everything there is. This is the most advanced export tool I have ever seen. There are plugins that's been out for a few years. I don't believe are as good as this. So we took our time, our sweet time. Yes, it's been long, but I think we've done a fantastic job, guys. Thanks to all my developers. Thank you, Salva and the team. You've been great. You've done a tremendous job, and I hope all the users will love it, because we, at the end of the day, build it for them. So thank you guys for being there. What to export? Let's go back to it. Columns. Okay, let's just try quickly. You have main entities, sub entities. Anything you need to explain, to ask, there is a documentation, fantastically done, forum.stockmanagementlabs.com. So in here, what you want to export, add your columns. Each row is a column, obviously. You can move them. You can do some basic settings on position of a column, name, visibility. If you have a template, you can take it out of the template while you don't need it maybe at the instance. Then you have a prefix and a suffix. In here, when you go right from the settings, you have filters. You can select any rule you want, you can add any value you want, so you only have shown what you need. Basically, if you don't need it, clear all the columns, delete the column, add another rule. You can set 10 rules even. So the customizability is absolutely enormous. So you do what you need to do, you save it as a template at the end so you don't lose it and you don't have to build it again. You have a preview button. In the beta it wasn't there, maybe it wasn't working properly. It's all working now. So we have 646 items, and it will give you preview how it will look in your file. So before you go to the export, so you know you have set it up correctly. You can, as I said, you can save as a template. You can send by mail. You can create recurring exports from your templates. You can do schedule exports, whatever you desire. The documentation is there. Please test it, use it, enjoy it. It's a fantastic tool. I hope you all like. We've done the pricing, so I think it's great. Whoever did the beta, whoever registered and actually commented, comments are very important. I will all send you 50% from your first subscription. The code will be out today in your emails. And guys, what to say? Hope you enjoy everything. If there is anything you need to tell us, use the forum. Again, forum.stockmanagementlabs.com. We have a suggest feature section there. Do it. We looked at all the features, so I hope you will use the forum because it's been there for you. Okay, as I said, we have loads to do still for another 15 years, so I hope you enjoy everything we do. And now that's all from me. I will be back with more videos. Hopefully we'll have more time now to do them, and I hope you enjoy them all. So you have a pleasant experience with ATUM Export and ATUM, and hope you have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.